money
It needs retrofitting po. Delikado na pong hindi na makadaan ng mga heavy vehicles. Yeah. Built by the president's father. No less, no?
Well,
But ang alam nyo,
Paano mitigation doon? The trucks are stuck in
that's why I was there last Sunday. I was there last
okay.
Sunday. And the only solution now for the trucks is to barge them by Roro. That's the only way.
the buses and the
The
trucks
big
and all that.
vehicles, the trucks. Yung buses po, may ginawa kaming solusyon doon. So, the buses, they will get off, passengers on buses will get off at Santa Rita in Samar. And they will alight, and then they will ride smaller vans, which will take them across the bridge to Leyte. That's the solution now. But I think DPWH is fast-tracking the retrofitting, but goods still have to move. It's really the goods, the food, the fuel, other critical goods, no? So essential goods. So ano ho yan? Critical po yan. So now we're going to be doing a Roro transfer from Samar, from the town of Basay in Samar into Tacloban. Tacloban po.
Would there
So
be enough Roro vehicles?
we're adding. It's not going to be enough,
vessels?
but we're going to